So yesterday I was just minding my business and reading some news online, and this caught my attention. So I just decided maybe let me just do a short reaction to this. Apparently, an arrest warrant has been issued for millionaire Bitcoin trader. I think I would have said forex trader. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't been following Sandile Shezi's life for the past maybe 2 or so years. So I don't know whether he's still trading forex or he's now a crypto trader. But he used to be a forex trader. Now it seems maybe he might be into crypto. Who knows? So, but apparently an arrest warrant has been issued for him. So basically, whenever police come across him, they need to arrest him, Sandile Shezi. Uh, I think I must say I'm a bit disappointed because Mr. Sandile Shezi, although I do not know him personally, he is one of the guys that made me want to get into forex trading and trading generally. I remember back in the day, it was him, the likes of Ref Wayne, who also people kind of called names and stuff like that. Um, and other guys, I think Jason Noah, who else? FBK. I think those guys really held the torch towards making South Africans more aware of forex trading. I think those guys really pushed it to make South Africans want to get into forex trading. So I'm a bit disappointed at this turn of events. If you read the article, this article is on My Broadband South Africa. Apparently, Sandile Shezi, they say he's a cryptocurrency entrepreneur. He used to be in forex. I don't know when he shifted to crypto, but he used to be in forex. So apparently, he is accused of conning an investor out of 500,000 rand. Basically, this guy who is identified here, uh, Alan Ledwaba, apparently uh, invested 500,000 of his money, or the money that he had actually borrowed from his father. He had actually borrowed this money from his father, and he gave it to Mr. Sandile Shezi and his Global Forex Institute company to invest this money. And of course, Mr. Shezi will probably charge a fee, but generally they will take this 500,000 rand and grow it through trading, uh, maybe through crypto or through forex. But they will take this money and grow it, and basically, Mr. Ledwaba would get like basically would get his 500,000 rand back, and you would also get like profits from this money because it's an investment. Of course, profits minus any fees that Global Institute or Forex Institute would deduct, and everything would be fine. Everyone would make money. Everyone would cash in on trading or on crypto, and everyone would ride into the sunset happy. Apparently, he's actually not the only one. There was apparently another former Limpopo school principal who apparently uh, initially gave Mr. Shezi 100,000 rand, and in 2018 it was told the following year. All these are allegations. All these are allegations. Not that all these are allegations. They still need to be proved in court. That so that he promised that in the following year this 100,000 would actually become 200,000 rand in 2019. So I don't know the full story here, because then there are gaps in the story. Because the principal now says he also gave Mr. Shezi another 1 million in 2019. Probably he did receive the 200,000 rand, and then he saw that wow, this guy can deliver. So let me give him more money. So apparently in 2019 he gave him a million rand more, hoping that probably it will become 2 million. However, apparently from the 1 million investment, this guy received just over 100,000. So these are the allegations against Mr. Shezi. Apparently, this guy would give him 500,000, only got 40,000 rand in profit, and a company that was bought by Mr. Shezi, a branded company at that, probably to promote Global Forex Institute. He says he sold the car to try and make some of the money that he had borrowed from his father back. So for me, it's quite an upsetting turn of events. Like I said, Mr. Shezi, Ref Wayne, Jason Noah, FPK, and all those guys are the guys who really made every one of us aware of forex trading, and that you can actually make money from the internet. Um, I do not know Mr. Shezi personally, but I met the guy. I met the guy. There were workshops that these guys usually do. So he had one of these workshops in my town with Global Forex Institute. Um, just I think they kind of like for marketing purposes, because they'll come in and set up and try to introduce you to forex trading. If you buy into what they sell, then obviously they take you under their wing. They supposedly give you training, and probably also get signals and things like that. When I went there at the workshop that they were running, the one thing that made me not sign up was, hey, the fees that these guys wanted, like the monies that they were charging to teach you forex trading, to teach you how the industry works, and to get you under their wing and stuff like that, and for signals and things like that. It was just too much. Probably also because maybe because Mr. Shezi was already a brand. He's kind of a brand. He's a millionaire trader. Everyone knows him, so it must cost a lot to be mentored by him. That's what I gathered from that workshop. I went there. The hall was packed. I can tell you, the hall was packed. When people heard that Sandile Shezi was coming, everyone came out. The hall was packed. That's I managed to actually get a second row seat. So I was kind of like a short distance from the guy. I went there out of curiosity, just to hear the guy, what he had to say, and just to see the guy. I'd seen him on TV. I'd seen him on the internet. I've seen videos about the guy. So I just wanted to just go and see what is he like in real life. And the guy really was impressive, because he was well polished. He did look like money. He spoke like money. He did look like money, well dressed, manicured and everything, and he spoke like money. The accent and stuff. But probably it's also what marketing guys do, what salespeople do, and they were trying to sell these services that were provided by Global Forex Institute. And yeah, I would not say that I learned much from, I think it was an hour or so that I spent through that workshop. I would not say I learned much, because some of the things that he was talking about were basic things that I already learned from baby peeps, from YouTube and stuff like that. So basically, it wasn't really like wow, 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 but it was just like wow. Oh, so this is the guy in real life. Probably what left a bad taste in my mouth was when he, in front of all the people that were in that hall, I already said it was packed. So you know, when you go into these events, you sign in, you put your name, your surname, your cell phone number, your email address, basically your contact details on some form at the desk at the entrance. Now he stood up and said that because they were also promoting this broker, I've forgotten the name. So they were also promoting this forex broker. Mr. Shezi stood up and he said they got our details, our phone numbers, our email addresses that we left at the door, blah blah blah. Now the good news is that Monday, because it was a Saturday, by Monday we will all get emails because we were going to get funded accounts. Of course, I was not going to expect to get $1,000 funded account or $100 funded account. Because, sorry about that. Because there were so many people in the hall, there's no way he was going to give each and every one of us $1,000 funded account or $100 funded account. We were packed. That was before COVID-19 and and all these social distancing and stuff like that. So the hall was packed. There was no way he was going to give us funded accounts to the tune of $100 each. But I expected maybe he would get maybe a $10 or maybe a $20, but maybe a $10, $5 a funded account just to get people started. So everyone cheered, everyone clapped, everyone jumped off their seats, and we were impressed by the guy. Like, wow, okay, so this guy is really interested in making sure that more and more South Africans actually join forex trading, and is willing to actually get us funded and get started in forex trading. So I was impressed. Come Monday, I waited for that email. It didn't come through. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, until to date, that email never came through. So that kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. Like, guy, why did you lie to us? Like, why did you have to say that? You could have just like did your presentation and just go. Why lie to us? But anyway, so from that I kind of learned to expect anything from these I want to call them celebrity traders, the Instagram traders, these celebrity traders who, like, they are always in the media, they are always on social media, they are everywhere, and most of the time they are trying to push this hustle, they are trying to market this, they are trying to promote this and stuff like that. I From that I expected, I decided, no, you need to always have an open mind, expect anything from these guys. So I'm not saying that Mr. Shezi is actually guilty of taking these monies, probably this 1.5 million, if we add the 500,000 and the 1 million from this guy. All these are still allegations until they are tested in a court of law. But apparently, an arrest warrant has been issued. So the moment the police actually see him, they are going to effect that arrest warrant. I'm not sure though about why they would start by issuing an arrest warrant if they probably know where he is, or probably, I don't want to assume that he's on the run. Usually, arrest warrants are issued for people who are on the run or people who fail to appear in court when they've been given summons and things like that. So I don't know why they would issue an arrest warrant. Maybe things will become clear in the a few days that are coming. But yeah, this is what's happening with Mr. Sandile Shezi. I think it's a disappointing turn of events. I hope this thing can be sorted out and it can be cleared. If he indeed took money from these people, probably it's just right that these people get their monies back. If it's people who are probably just out to tarnish his name, then I also would expect that people just clear his name and stuff like that. But all in all, it's an unfortunate turn of events for me. But let's see what's going to happen in the next few days. Uh, what do you think about this? What do you think about this issue? Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think. Do you think Mr. Shezi is a scam? Do you think he probably did this, or what are your thoughts regarding this? Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.